In this video, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp group. Make sure to watch the video to the end. You won't make any mistake. First of all, go to WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, all you have to do, tap on this three dot at the top right side. Tap on this new group. As you can see now, here it says add members to a group. So all you have to do, just select the members that you want to add in your group. So I'll just go with this two person. So as you can see now, as you tap on the person name, as you can see, it just take the person in this section and it marks the screen to the person. After you mark the person, all you have to do, just tap on this next button. So now type in your group name. So after you type in your group name, tap on this camera icon to change the profile of your group. So it will take you to your phone. Tap on this gallery. So now go and select a picture for your group. So all you have to do, just go and select one picture for your WhatsApp group. So I'll go with this picture. So tap on this done. So after you type in picture of your group, all you have to do, just tap on this done. So as you can see now, I created this group in just some seconds. That's the guide on how to create group in WhatsApp. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.